Hello, everyone. Happy
Hello,
Thursday. Hey, Nick. So good to
hi,
see
Nikki.
you.
Where are you at the moment, Nikki?
I'm in Miami. How about you?
Los Angeles. So, yeah, pretty
Nice.
exciting day, but please do your intro. I love it.
No, of course. We are so happy to have all of you here. Thank you all for tuning in to another Thursday weekly webinar where we show all of the newest updates with HeyGen. We're going to be live on LinkedIn, on YouTube, and on TikTok. So definitely ask all your questions, comment, let us know, what you think of all the new features. And we have some really exciting stuff to show, like always. I don't know if you've all seen the latest product hunt, but we should definitely show everyone because that's going to be what we're going to be discussing today. This is a HeyGen 101 webinar where we'll go over briefly all of the features that HeyGen has to offer. I'm Nikki. If you haven't seen me before, I'm one of the social media managers here at HeyGen. And we have Nick over here, if you want to introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm taking care here of HeyGen with all the partnerships, growth for HeyGen, but also like all the enterprise clients, and try to figure it out how we can help them in the best way to get the best done with our technology. Because I think, and Nikki, I want to start with this. We really have to improve ourselves to provide better content in case of teaching and how to use HeyGen in the best way. Because I think here is really like an opportunity for us to provide better support. And we will start from today on with our new launch, HeyGen 5.0. We will show you in a bit, but it's an amazing and very exciting day for us. It's really the new design we want to show you. But first, I want to welcome everyone because I can already see that like the last webinars and all the time, people are here from everywhere. It is
Yes, let us know. Where are you tuning in from?
really, I can see here just not just US, but also France, Germany, UK. It's Venezuela. Oh my God,
Italy,
it,
Colombia.
it's so cool. So yeah, very exciting. So
Yeah, I mean, HeyGen is just so global. Like when you think about all of the capabilities it has, it also, the video translate really just pushes that to new markets as well. So that's what we do, but we want to show you how you can do it as well for your business and to grow globally. So we have so many things to cover. I want to actually start by showing a video. Can I do that, Nick?
100%. Let's do it. Just
Okay,
give me.
so yeah, this is actually one of the TikToks I posted this week. So if you haven't followed us on TikTok, this is the shameless plug. It's HeyGen Official. And this is to show some of the women avatars that we have for Women's History Month.
AI avatars ready to help you create amazing content.
That's right. With HeyGen, you can pick an avatar in any age or ethnicity to suit your vibe. And get this, we each speak over 20 languages.
Okay, wait. Let's make sure.
I Yeah, I can't change it actually while we are live. So no, it says like not available while live. So
Okay, let me try one more time.
AI avatars ready to help you create amazing content.
That's right. With HeyGen, you can pick an avatar in any age or ethnicity to suit your vibe. And get this, we each speak over 20.
Okay, well, now we know we'll have to fix that. So I'll have to fix the ratio formatting, but it was a really cool video. So for now, I guess I'll just send over the link in the chat.
I
We
mean,
can do
yeah,
that.
yeah, share the link. I mean, it's always an improvement. We want to develop like the experience here with the webinars as well. So if something is not working, it's totally fine, but it will work next week. So it's always, and this is what I meant. So we have to improve ourselves. It's very fast growing right now at HeyGen. So yeah, a lot of things we have to cover, and we will do it from day to day and getting better and better. So
Next
yeah,
week we'll have it ready for everyone, but if you want to go see it now, I dropped the link in the chat. So it basically is just showing all the different women avatars and showing how some of them can speak different languages. And we always have new avatars. So if you haven't logged on in a while, go back on and see all of the different avatars that we have. We're always taking feedback for people that are saying they want to see, more diversity or specific
Yeah, and
ethnicities, everything.
very good point, Nikki, because we had this request very often now, and we will not just like provide new avatars, we will even now start to get more professions done, like doctors, like sportsmen, like teachers,
Ooh.
whatever, that we can even give and provide our community more like opportunities to grow and like start a like business, or like even create some cool fancy videos. But like I said, it's an improvement now, but it's just a quite fast journey right now, but we love it. So, and we do all the best. So if you want to share feedback with us, doesn't matter if it's like negative or positive, we will learn from this and we will develop ourselves. So this is what I would like to mention here. One thing, Nikki, do like our viewers today get credits or anything?
Oh my God, I can't believe I almost forgot about that. Of course they do. Every webinar, we give away 5 free credits at the very end. So you can try out all of the latest features, all of the new avatars, the voice translate, the video translate, and everything else we're going to go over today. So thank you for reminding me, Nick. We'll
Yeah,
definitely.
all good. So yeah, I would like to dive in. If you have questions, please feel free to ask here. Nikki will interrupt me from time to time and ask me some questions if you have one, or if you want to show, or if I should show you anything like special here, just let me know, please. I will share my screen and like show our newest like update at HeyGen 5.0. So what does it mean is like we want to give
Wait,
our
before we go into this, for anyone that's new, can you just talk about what is HeyGen in general?
Yeah, HeyGen, good question. So HeyGen itself is a Gen AI video tool. So we want to help you to make like your storytelling visual accessible and for everyone. So this is very important to understand. We have like different type of features here. You can already see on the left sidebar here, where we can help you to improve your creativity, your like starting career with on TikTok or Instagram or LinkedIn or X, or help your business to grow in different kind of ways with our avatars, with our video translation feature, or our like 2 newest feature, personal videos, and like the streaming avatar. And you could do everything in HeyGen. And we will dive now into like what all the things really like, yeah, mention.
Yes. So let's get into this video, the studio. It looks so nice. This is what we're covering on Product Hunt today. So definitely upvote on Product Hunt if you like this. We really appreciate it, and it definitely helps to support us. So we'll send that link one more time at the beginning and at the end of this webinar. But yeah, show us what you can do. Show us what these new features are, and this whole user experience. It looks so much different, so different,
Yeah.
so much fun.
100%. So HeyGen 5.0 is really like to get a better user experience, and it's more user friendly than before, because now it's like organized and it has a structure, and you can right away see the features we are offering on the left sidebar here. So this means you have your home button for sure. Still, you can manage like all the things in your account if you like press on your name, but then it comes like to the features we are offering. So for example, the most requested for sure is like the avatar itself. So if you press to the avatar, you will come to this page. So this means here at this stage, you can create your own avatar. So your digital twin. Meanwhile, I really want to tell, because the quality is like so good right now at HeyGen, I really want to tell it just digital twin and not just like avatar anymore, because you can just record yourself with a 2-minute video footage upload through HeyGen, and then after 5 minutes, you will get your own instant avatar. And one thing I want to mention here is it has to be you. So this means if you upload a video, we need a consent video from you. And this has to be live. We will automatically generate like a live passcode, and you have to read the script. And then we will also check in the backend, like manual, if this is the same person. So it's a security guidelines. And this is for everyone. So I just want to make this clear, but you can really like create your instant avatar.
Hey guys, I'm Joshua, co-founder and CEO of HeyGen. Let me show you these two videos, and you tell me which one is AI generated.
In the early days of computer programming, a significant historical anecdote is known as Grace Hopper and the Bug. In 1947, at Harvard University.
Alright, it may sound crazy, but both videos are generated with my AI avatar. You can create your own if you follow the instruction below. It will only take you 5 minutes to get a high fidelity avatar, same as mine.
Yeah, so what it means is really you can like follow the steps now in our guidelines to create your first video, like your first digital twin. And then after it's finished, you can use this avatar. So you, for example, we would take our CEO here. We can create now and go to our new studio as well, and start to create content on make your like storytelling visual to everyone. So it's very amazing. Do you have like one question right now, like Nikki, from anyone or from yourself?
No, this is awesome. There are people saying that they want to see us as avatars. And I actually post some of the versions of myself on the HeyGen TikTok, so you could see me as an AI avatar. But yeah, everything is great. You know, it seems like some people have already tried it in the chat, the new studio, but keep going.
So
there's so much more.
yeah, no worries. Yeah, so the biggest thing I want to mention is like the difference between the avatars itself, because I think this is like quite not misunderstanding, but we have to do here as well like a better like explanation. So this what you get after your 2-minute like video footage you are providing to HeyGen, you will get an instant avatar. You can see this here. It calls instant avatar. So this means it has to be, and it can be completely casual, recorded by your webcam, by your smartphone camera. You don't need a professional setup or anything. For sure, if you want to have the best tech, like the best quality possible, it would be awesome to have a professional microphone, professional camera, professional setup, and the most important thing, the best lighting you can get. So, and this is what I was mentioned before, Nikki. It is really like we have to train and like educate our like community, our creators even better with updates, with videos, so with like tips and tricks to get like the best from it. So, and this actually, you could upgrade like your existing avatar, like it's here, with a fine-tuned avatar. So this will be an additional subscription, but you will get a better and higher video resolution, a better lip synchronization, and you can provide more languages to your avatar. And how this looks is really like, yeah, awesome, because
you could remove the background as well of your avatar with the fine tune.
Exactly. And you will always see with a label if it's a fine tune or not. So you can see it's a free revision here, but here for our CEO, for example, it's a fine tune avatar. So if you press on this avatar, you have this button now here, and it's remove avatar background. And then you can start now to create your own templates if you want to. So you can set this as a background, you can add the logo, and now you can start to create your own like individual templates. You could also change like the view itself, like you could go to a circle view. You could add now text if you want to. So everything is possible and completely customizable. So the most requested question we get is, okay, so everything is in German right now or in English. So if you go left on the script, so this is English here, but I actually want to have this script in Spanish. So there is a button here. And if you press on this button, you have now, like in this overview, in this interface, chance to do it just by a click. So if you go to Spanish, for example, it will translate with GPT-4 on the back end to like the Spanish text now. And now this text will be spoken by your avatar. And one more question I get often is, okay, but I don't want to have this voice. I want to use my own voice. So we will clone your voice by the providing like video footage you give us. And then if you press on this, you can actually choose your own voice. And so now it looks like that you can speak Spanish with a perfect lip synchronization after you submit the video. And this is how it works actually. And one thing, feature request, Nikki. One feature request is, I want to share that we are working on this. So imagine you have everything, you have multiple scenes here, okay? So your video is 10 minutes and you want to find an easy way to translate everything. So we are working on something that you can just like press one button after we have your complete video done in English, for example. There will be a new button and you can just press Spanish and we will do it automatically, everything in Spanish. So you don't have to do it from scene to scene or whatever. You can just translate everything at all. So this is one thing we are working on.
Yes, that's awesome. I also requested as one of the features for English captions, even if the video is translated to another language. So we'll see if that's also in the works. I'm pretty sure it is. But all of the features that people are asking for, we submitted to the product development team. So definitely write in
100%.
the chat
Yeah.
anything. We have a question actually about fine tune, if I can ask you.
Sure.
So someone had asked if the fine tune, if they can change the avatar that they use the fine tune on.
So you are like doing a fine tune avatar and then?
He wants to replace the avatar with a different one.
No, you have to do it like again because
It's per avatar, right?
Exactly, but for the subscription itself. So we will change it in the backend, so you don't have to pay like double amount, but we have to replace the avatar, yes, but we have to train on a new avatar because it's a new video footage, right? So yes, but it's possible, sure.
Awesome, yeah. So I do want to just tell everyone to clarify. So we have the instant avatar feature, which is where you turn yourself into an AI avatar and you can use it in the video studio to create videos of yourself speaking in whatever language with your voice or with a different voice. But there's also a ton of AI avatars that we have already that you can use.
Yes.
So for example, like Josh there.
Yeah, exactly. So one thing, instant avatar. Then we have, like I mentioned before, the fine-tune avatar, and then we have studio avatars. So studio avatars is available for enterprise customer, but would like provide you with the best technology we have with a different type of how to record, because it has to be in a green screening recording. We have a lot of guidelines you have to follow, and then you will receive like a studio avatar. So for example, I can show like the videos itself here if you want to. So if you create now like a new video itself, or I can just show if you want to. No, I will do it practically because I think it's better. So this is at this left page here, you can select all the studio avatars we have and you can use it for sure. You can use it, create your own videos while you're on a subscription. So everything is good. And then you can like see what else is like doing with or what you can do with our like editing tool, with our new studio here. So there's a lot of possibilities. I think we should go like more closely maybe next week to the studio itself, to HeyGen 5.0. Right now it's a one-on-one. I just want to give you like a roundup, so what you actually can do with HeyGen. But if you have questions, just let us know. We're happy to help you. because on the left side, you see like templates. So you are even able to just select a template and then change it how you want to. Change the color, change the avatar. So everything what you want to do, you could actually do with the editing. So if you want to replace this avatar, for example, you could just like select a different type of avatar and done. And then you can for sure like choose your own language, the voice you want to. So everything is possible. So we are working with 11 labs together. And this is one more trick I want to share to everyone. If someone is like asking, okay, can I improve my voice quality or anything? Yes, you can. So if you like, because we have a strong partnership with 11 labs, if you go to 11 labs, you can upload your own voice. You could train it there with like multiple features they're offering. And then you could use the API key from 11 labs, put it through HeyGen directly, like here, and then you have access to your library from 11 labs. And then you can use this voice to your avatar and have an even better experience with the technology itself. And this is what I meant. So this is not really like well known at HeyGen, and we have to improve this like training session to all of you.
Awesome. Yes. And I love the little circle that you showed earlier. It kind of makes it look like a Loom video. So that is a great way that you can use your avatar if you have a presentation to give and you just want to make it more engaging. You can use any of the AI avatars we have, but also you can make yourself into a little circle and just have it more engaging for the audience.
Exactly.
But we do have another question. So
sure.
A few people have been asking about if they can create an avatar of their business partner or of a client on their account.
Yeah, so technically for sure this is doable, but you have to get the consent video. So this person has to be in front of the camera, and there is no like question at all that because this is necessary. So if you are working with a client, for sure you can upload the video footage, but he or she has to be in front of the camera to give you like the consent. Yeah, it's and there is no doubt about it. This is very important.
Yeah, so the consent video, you can't upload that. You have to record it live, and it has to be that person saying, you know, I authorize HeyGen to use my video, whatever. You still have content usage rights to the videos you create, though. So
exactly.
Definitely look into it. And with the creator plan, you get 3 instant avatars. So one of them could be your business partner, or someone said a doctor that's a client, or whoever it is. But you do have 3, and if you're done using one, you could always delete it and redo an avatar, an instant.
Yes, because it's not really like an instant avatar. It's more about the slots you will get, right? Because you can just delete an avatar if you don't like the quality, or you want to change your hand movements or the background or whatever, or like your clothes. You could just delete it and replace it with a new like video footage you're uploading. So this is everything doable. But also one question I saw, it's like, okay, is it really like just limited by the credits you're offering? So what you actually really could do is like 2 things. You will see here at this pricing point, like monthly and yearly. So what does it mean? It's not just like for the pricing itself to get like a discount. It's also for the credits itself. So for example, if you go to monthly, like with our entry point here for 29, it's like more, okay, 15 credits per month. So this is every month I will get 15 credits that I can use. So for example, but now I have a project and it's like, even more, or I need more credits right away, you can go to yearly and you will get this 80 credits right away into your account. So this is totally doable. But yeah, if you want to, like, it's a yearly subscription, but you will receive the full amount of credits right away. And you have like the creator plan, and this is our new name. It calls Teams. So with these Teams, you have also like 5 custom avatar now like available in your account. So, and then if you want to have for sure like scale everything up, because you're a business, you're an organization, you need like 10, 20, 30 avatars. You have to work with 10, 20 people in the same account at the same time, then please reach to us out, and it's an enterprise call. So our like sales agency will for sure will speak to you and provide you with your customizable plan. Okay. So any questions left, Nikki, for like?
Yes, we do have a couple more. So
Yeah.
someone is asking if they can use their voice with any of the other avatars.
Yeah, sure, it's doable. You could, I mean, yeah, if you want to, so you could like create like a new video, and then you could just like,
Hey guys, I'm Joshua.
you could just like take the avatar itself and select your own voice. Yeah, this is doable.
Yeah, so once you do, is it after you do an instant avatar that your voice shows up as an option? Or
Exactly. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. So you will see like in the voice section itself. So with this like video avatar itself, you will see your avatar, and in this like voice section, you will see your voice. Yes.
Okay, awesome. And then let me see. Someone else is asking, how do you think I should add emphasis to a script? A couple of people were asking this about
Yeah.
adding more emotion.
Yeah, we are working on this. It's a new
Yes.
type of technology. We will in the future, like in the next month, like update the technology itself, that you could even like get more emotion to everything. So yes.
Yes, so we are working on it like Nick said. As of right now, something that I like to do sometimes is just add some more exclamation marks or try to word things a little bit differently. If you move it to like another sentence or to another line, also kind of could slow down the pace or speed it up. So definitely play around with it for now. But in terms of like emotions, I mean, even if you look at the studio avatars now, they already have more emotion, and their faces, like the eyebrow movements, everything is just improving very fast. So
100%. It's still like a young technology, but we are working on so many new features. But it is not just like that you have to add the emotion. It will also good to control the emotion when it will happen, right? So we not just want to give any kind of update. We want to make sure it is working. It is working in an easy, usable way. And then we will launch this feature after we think the beta test was successfully. Yes.
yes, so someone else said that they try writing out in caps as well. So try it out. Caps.
In caps, yeah, exactly. Big letters, small letters, put like some words in capitals, but
Yes.
there is no like right now completely guideline because every voice is different. Yes.
Yeah, and it also depends on if you're doing an avatar of yourself, it depends on how that video that you created, it'll like get the tone of your voice. And also if you blink a lot in the video, your character might be blinking more. I know that's something a lot of people have been saying, can I slow down the blinks? I'm like, you're the one that's blinking.
Yeah, I think, but this is also what I like mentioned before. It's really like we have to get more like teaching material to what is a good way to record your like avatar, because it's always, this is AI about, it's not just like us, it's AI. It's like input equal output. So when your input is like this, you can't expect any magic or wonders for the output itself, not yet. So like I said, and for the voice itself, like I mentioned also before, work with 11 labs together, get your voice cloned and trained in the best way, use your API key, put it through HeyGen, like here, AI voice, you can integrate your 11 labs API key, and then you can use this voice with your avatar, and then it will be like a perfect sync here. Yeah.
Awesome. So someone is asking about text to image. Are you able to show how that works?
Text to image, we are not offering like in this way. I think he will ask.
Oh, okay. I thought there was like an AI feature.
Nope.
Nope. Okay.
Nope.
So, oh, we have, what do we have? Script writing then? There's one.
Oh yeah, Yeah, for sure. I mean, we have still like the script writing, what you can use with like the video itself. So if you go to like the create the video and avatar itself, you have like the script writing, and then you can really use like with GPT-4, and you can provide the context you want to, and then like GPT-4 will help you to like provide you with the best script. And then for sure you could change it, you could add it, or you could just translate everything like I showed you before in a new language. So yeah, this is doable for sure.
Awesome.
You could also to be honest, you could also upload like a live recording of your voice. So for example, there are a lot of actually clients and customers and also creators. They are not just using text or like the script to the video itself. They will just use like a live recording where they are speaking to like even transfer more emotions or more like pronouncing on time to the like video itself. So this is also doable. You could do it like record yourself, upload the MP3 file, or you could do it just live if you want to, and then it will be like your voice itself. So, and the avatar will speak it actually with perfect lip synchronization. So it's really funny. You have to try it, but it could improve some of your use cases as well.
Awesome. So can you actually demo how to add the closed captions? Someone is asking where you trigger. I think it's a trigger, right?
What do you mean? Like after the video was like recorded, or like? So you have what you have to do is, so you have to like produce the video, and then after it's generated, you will see like a button with a caption, and then you can add these captions to your video after it was like submit. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, okay. Should we go back to the studio and kind of show like the different layers, how it looks different now when you go to edit a video?
But like in the video for avatar itself, or what was?
No, sorry. Just we're going back. So to add the captions for the it's after you translate a video, and then isn't it just like a toggle on and off, and you turn on the captions?
Exactly. Yes, exactly. So
Yeah.
if you get like, if you want to have more information about the AI studio, the new studio, you could just like provide and watch this video itself. So you could just like create everything. So you could even have like, and like I said you before, like you could just like
welcome to this versatile business,
create a video from our templates and build something on top, and so everything is done, because then you already have like the full script here if you want to.
Awesome.
So yeah, everything is doable. So if you like, after you submit the video, you will have an on and off button for the subtitles, for the caption itself. Yes.
Perfect. Well, so can you show here kind of some differences with the new studio? I know the layers of editing. Look at that. That is amazing. I know that we've also recently added the copy paste function for some of the features there.
Yeah, 100%. You have more like ability now to make it even better. So it's more like a advanced editing tool right now. It was not before. It was more like to play around with, but with these new features here, like a lot of things is now doable. But I think we are running out a bit of time, so I would like to show you also the other features. But for sure, if someone would like to see a webinar how to actually do a live demo video or anything, just let us know and we will do it. So no worries. For sure, I would love to show you like all the new features, even for the new studio. No problem.
Awesome. Yeah, let's move on to the next feature then, since we always lose track of time when we're talking, when it's us just chatting. I mean, Nick can talk about HeyGen for hours. He can be here answering all of your questions all day, but we gotta keep moving on. There's so many features to explore, and I want you all to have some time to check it out as well with the with the 5 credits?
Yeah, what I love is just like speak more individual and like customizable, because it's just like, okay, someone has a good use case or anything, and we will just take it and do it live in action. So this is what we are doing with our like partners and clients, just to help them to set everything up to how does it work. And then it's a bit more like structure for me, and I can like do it step by step. But today, like I said, it's a 101. So this was like all the avatar, like the video creation. So avatars always create new content for educational reasons, training videos, information videos, updates, like for your clients, for your customer, for your community. So you could use it in the best way. Nikki does it for TikTok, for her own channel, for HeyGen itself. So and there are a lot of like people and creators who are using HeyGen and an avatar to create content. So you can create your avatar, you can split the screen itself and like speak about like other AI tools, about your business, about like your experience, or how to like get it done with HeyGen or other tools. So there are a lot of use cases to use the avatar itself. So then for sure we have more features. For example, like we have video translation. So video translation is a really, really remarkable like tool itself, because imagine your on-demand videos, like the videos, they're already there from your real person. You can just like upload the video and just like select a new target language, and you can just translate it with one like click. And then it will look like that you actually can speak this language, because it's with perfect lip synchronization. And one thing I want to mention here is this AI right now in the backend was trained on educational training, front-facing camera videos. It is not ready yet for like vlogs, for like fast moving edits for TikTok or anything. Yes, sometimes it's working for sure, but it's also not like working in the best way for like interviews. So a lot of people in the same scene, someone is interrupting the other one. So right now, and this is the biggest advice, you could use this feature right away with your subscription model, but it has to be like front facing, and then for your training videos, for your educational videos. But you don't have to go now to like, I don't know, you have to find a speaker in this foreign language. You have to get like a translation done with an agency or anything. You could just do it with our tool right away in HeyGen. So it's very awesome. So if you want to, I don't know, see like any kind of video, so maybe we can have a look how I can speak Italian, for example. So I'm just uploaded the video. It was actually, I think, in English or in German. And then now I'm speaking like Italian.
Buonasera e buon pomeriggio o buongiorno a tutti coloro che ci stanno guardando oggi in questo webinar.
So,
inoltre, vorrei augurare a tutti un felice.
What I want to mention as well is it is input equal output. So my input video was not really good in case of the voice quality. So you can't like expect like a wonder or magic or anything. So keep and make sure that the input quality is on point, and then you can expect like the same quality after we translate everything. So we will keep your voice, we will keep your accent, we will just change the language, and we will change like the lip synchronization for sure. So if we want to see our like CEO in Spanish, for example, and trust me, he can't speak any word like Spanish.
Hola ahí, soy Joshua, cofundador y CEO de HeyGen, donde estamos apasionados por derribar barreras lingüísticas y conectar el mundo a través de tecnología.
So this is a very, very and huge and powerful tool we are offering, and it also works, and it's a very like common question we get, with like a small circle view. So for example, you're creating a webinar or like a screen over where you just like see your circle view in the right like bottom corner or whatever. It also works if you're like not like 100% in the like frame. It also works if you're like smaller on the left side, on the right side, whatever. So just to let you know. And for sure, for all the enterprise clients, I just want to mention this proofreading option is also available. So this means you can like upload a video, and then if you want to make sure that your branding name, like branding items, like mentioned and spell it out in the correct way, you have here the chance to like do some edits in your like video for the new target language. And for sure, if you don't speak the target language, you could download the proofread or the SRT file, and you could send it to someone who's in charge with the target language. He or she could do the editing, send it back to you. You could upload the proofread again, and then you have everything on point. So this is for enterprise customer just available. But for sure, if you're interested in this, just reach to us out, and we will like guide you through how actually this works with an enterprise plan at HeyGen. So Nikki, do we have any questions?
Yes, I love the video translation feature, and I love hearing how everyone is using it. I just saw an English teacher, cute English teacher. She is always in the webinars, so shout out to her. I love seeing your name pop up. And I believe it's a she. I think she is, because I'm pretty sure I've seen her TikToks. But you know, in case you're a male, just correct me and I will fix it. But the comment that the comment cute English teacher wrote was, I gained 22 new students since using HeyGen for my ads in Mandarin. And using ads to reach other countries by you speaking in other languages is amazing. It is such a good idea, such a good way to just broaden your audience. But also internally, we've seen a lot of companies that have employees that are from other countries or celebrate other holidays, and then they send a short message, short video saying, you know, happy Lunar New Year, happy, I don't know, Cinco de Mayo, whatever is coming up, St. Patrick's Day. I was saying you can use an avatar that has an Irish voice. There's so many things you could do.
I think it's a powerful tool, and there are like a lot of use cases. It's not just like for international, like globally companies. It's also like if you're a creator and you not just want to reach out to your like mother tongue language and like like community. If you want to aka Mr. Beast or anything, like create a new Spanish channel or like a French channel. I mean, you have now the ability to use this in the best way possible. And for sure, like I said before, if someone is like, because it's sexy, it's not working for me because like the edit, like the TikTok style or anything. So you really have to make sure that you do it like with the raw material, and then you could do the edit afterwards, because we have to track the lip synchronization. It has to work. But it's not just like uploading a video, like an already existing video with loud background music, with all this fast moving editings. You have to take care. You have to find a new workflow, but I will promise it works. You just have to understand how it works for you in the best way possible.
Awesome. Yes. And I agree. That is with all AI. You just have to find out how you can use it to work with you and just make your life easier. So love it. Is there any, 100%. Is there any other feature that you want to go over?
I just want to go through to like the other two features we are offering. Or like one thing I want to mention before is like, if you go to the left side to integrations, and you still need, or you're more comfortable with in Canva or like an Adobe Express, you could use it. So this means you could like use the Canva app, you could download the HeyGen app, and then you can just integrate it. And then you can do your like more comfortable like environment in case of Canva. You can do your templates, and then you can just add the avatar via script, and then you can use it in Canva itself. So I just want to make sure that everybody knows this. So Canva and HeyGen also like good partnership here, and you could use it within Canva. So then we have like two features. It's like personalized videos. So personalized videos is a feature. For example, you have 100, let's say 100 clients, members, or even in your company, like your employees, your colleagues, and you want to like do a personal video or personal message. So this means, for example, I have Nikki here, I have Joy there, I have Joshua there. So now normally I have to do like 3 different type of videos. It takes time. It's not really effective. So what you can do with personalized videos, so again, if you go to the left side here to the top bar, you will see like personalized videos. You could start to just record one video, and then you can create, we call it like, I will call it like placeholders. And then you could just like add a spreadsheet or like a Google Sheet, whatever, in the back end. And then this one video you will record for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, whatever, because you can like text the script here. We will change all the time the names. So it's just one button, and then we will send it to 100 or thousands people, but they will all receive a personal like video with their own name. And you could even customizable this with a region, with a state, with a country, with a company. So everything what you want to do, you could do it actually. So, and then you could also customizable this with like Emma or with a different name. So everything is doable with personal videos, and it's available for you as well.
Yeah, personalized video is a game changer. Anyone that is in sales, or even not in sales, but does some sort of outreach or wants to manage and have better relationships with people, people love that face-to-face time. They love seeing someone's face. Maybe they forgot who you are. You haven't talked to them in a while, and they need to get a little reminder. So I definitely recommend it. It's just really cool to test out. And
yeah,
even as a creator, you can reach out to brands like this or reach out to multiple people and just maintain your relationships. Plus, everyone is going to be seeing that you're using a really cool AI new feature. Maybe it's not visible with this one, but at least with the translation and everything, it is really
100%. There are like so many use cases, like not just sales, like you mentioned, it's marketing, it's like customer relationship. It's also like do a promotion, or like even if someone, because you can do it in the back end with Zapier, you could like connect it to Typeform, to whatever calendar. If someone is like booking a meeting with you, they will respond within like 1 minute, a video, like a personal videos, like thanks for reaching out, would love to speak with you, or like meet with you in the next video call next Thursday. So everything is doable, and the open rate is like, it's just like awesome, because you will get this small GIF like this here in your email, and you can just click it and then you have the video. So it is an awesome tool. You have to use it. You have to get in touch with this. If you have questions how to use it in the best way, just let us know. We could also do a specialized webinar about personalized videos. And then the last feature for sure, it's like the streaming avatar itself. So just to kick like a quick update here on the streaming avatar. You could use our like streaming API, put it through your like website to your like tool, what you would like to do, and create your own like streaming avatar. Because already like, okay, this is just like a text board, this on the web page, right? You could just text. But how about if you are like offering a new service to your customer, or even create like a teacher or tutor for your own employees within your company, or like for your company, you could like put all the knowledge you have, create a large language model, connect it to this avatar, and now we could like talk. You see this here, like this button, or you could text. And this is also working in multiple languages. So it just has to be something in the backend set up. But like I said, if you are interested in this type of feature, reach to us out. We will guide you through how actually to use a streaming avatar. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty wild, actually, because you could do whatever you want to now with this streaming
HeyGen
avatar.
streaming avatars can be used to enhance customer engagement on live streams,
so
webinars, and virtual events.
You could like even select a different type of avatar if you want to. So everything is doable. You could customize it with this knowledge base to get more specific data done. So you could for sure put it like in your own system with our API if you want to get more information about this, Nikki is offering a webinar with Alec, our product lead, I would say once a month, and you could join, or you could like have a look through the last week, or was it 2 weeks ago, how to use and work with a streaming avatar. So it's also a good point to mention our YouTube channel. If you go to the live button, there's all the webinars from the past like Thursdays.
Yes. On YouTube and LinkedIn. Last week, we did do the streaming avatar with Alex. So that is a really cool and a reference for that specific video. For that feature, but each webinar does go more in depth. This one kind of just covered all of the different tools. So we are running up on time. I hope we answered a lot of your questions. I have seen some comments that people do want more tutorials and showing us exactly how you get from this to this. So we took note of that. So definitely for the future webinars, maybe we could do like a whole example of showing the video translation or whatever the feature is. I do have a question though about which plan includes the streaming avatar. How can people?
It's a different, so you could use it like on a free trial as well. If you want to really use it like for a business reason, you have to contact like Alec, our product lead. It's not really like an original enterprise plan, but it's a mix because you're using like the API, but you can just reach to us out, and then we will lead like exactly if you're written down like I'm interested in streaming API, we will lead you directly and guide you through Alec, and then you will have an appointment with him and he will explain everything.
Awesome. Yes. So someone asked, this is being recorded. All of the past ones are recorded, so go back and check. But now is the most, I don't know what I'm saying. This is the best time of the webinar. Can I get a drum roll? I don't have a soundboard. We're giving away 5 free credits. You can use this to try out any of the features that we tried out and showed you today. So the streaming avatar, the video translation, it's about 1 minute is 1 credit. So you can translate to 5 different languages or do a bunch
where's the link? Where's the link? Do we have the link here for the
there we go. Sent in the chat. So there is the type form, and you should be getting them within 24 hours. So every webinar is every Thursday at 2 p.m. and we go in depth on a feature. We just answer all your questions, take in all your feedback. If you still have some questions that we have not answered, I encourage you to join our Discord. That is a great place to connect with other creators or editors, ambassadors, and just also hear about our latest contests. We're always doing a contest for you to potentially win some cash prizes.
Exactly. So thank you so much, Nikki. Was a great webinar. It was a great like overview.
I do want to add. Wait, I'm not sure. Some people are saying the link might not be working. So we'll double check that. Some people are asking for specific tutorials. So in the actual lab.heygen, there is a section at the bottom left that says tutorials, right? I believe that's what it says.
Yes.
And it shows you exactly how to use all of the features as well. So that is another great resource.
Exactly. And we did it for like several months, but we will now like phase an update from this. And this is, what I really want to improve here at HeyGen itself. We have to do a better job in case of teaching, education, also like not just this, even like to help you to like find your use case, you actually, how you could grow and use HeyGen. So we are working on this, but a lot of improvements we can do. We have to do it step by step. But if you have like very specific like feedback, just let us know, and we will work on this for sure. I think the link works.
Awesome. Okay, I was gonna say, does it work? Does it not work? I can't really check right now, but we did put an emoji really close to it. So just double check that you're not including that. And we are so thankful that you're all here. So thank you again for another amazing webinar. Thank you all for being here. We'll see you again next Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern. Bye, everyone. Thank you, Nick.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Nikki.